So once you have your feature code files and your feature codes all set up, what we're going to do now is we're going to save this as a Business Center template. So you can see here we're still under unnamed. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to first save the project. So I'm going to go up to File. I'm going to click on Save, and I'm just going to save this to a project folder location that I have. So I'll come into here under my as-built project I have going on. And I'm just going to call this as-built demo working. Okay. Normally do this mainly because I just want to back up. It's not critical that you do it that way, but that's just something that I do. So now that I have that saved, I'm going to go up and I'm actually going to do the save as template. So I'm going to go to File, Save as Template, and I'm going to save this as a Business Center template so we can use it on our next project. Okay. So I already have one here that I've named. So I'm just going to save this and I'm going to replace the existing one. In your case, just give it a name and save it. And then when you're ready to start your next project, you're going to go to File, New, and you're going to be able to pick that particular template that we just created. So when we do this, it's going to now start a new project, and it has the codes as well as all the layers that we created so that we don't have to redo that every single time. The other thing you want to do, and you can do it now from here or I could do it from the template, is create and export out the FXL file. So I'm going to right click on the feature code library here, and I'm going to select export. That's going to open up the export command where I can choose, it's already chosen as the feature definition file. I'm going to give it a location. So I've already done this once. I'm going to go ahead and pick my folder where I want to store this. Again, I have a standards folder where I kind of store all my Business Center standards called feature codes. And I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to call this as-built basic, and I'm just going to overwrite that one. So we'll replace it, and then you have to click export. So it's going to ask me again, do I want to overwrite it? That's fine. So now I have exported out that FXL that I can use in Siteworks in my project, and I'm going to show you how we can set that up.